Ever wondered how a ductless air conditioner cools your home without bulky air ducts? Here's the surprisingly simple answer. A ductless air conditioner, also called a mini split system, has one outdoor unit connected to indoor air handling units. The indoor unit pulls warm room air through a filter and across a cold evaporator coil filled with refrigerant. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the indoor air, cooling it before the fan quietly blows refreshing air back inside. The heated refrigerant travels through insulated copper lines to the outdoor unit, carrying unwanted indoor heat outside your home. Outside, the compressor increases refrigerant pressure while the condenser releases collected heat into the outdoor air efficiently. After releasing heat, the refrigerant cools down and returns indoors, repeating the cooling cycle continuously and efficiently. Without ductwork, mini-split systems avoid energy losses, making them more efficient than many traditional central air conditioning systems. Many ductless systems provide both cooling and heating, while letting you control temperatures separately in different rooms independently. Now you know exactly how a ductless air conditioner works. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy HVAC explanations.